Oh, it's already hot in here. Hey, CEO, I'm gonna knock law and get this job done. We got some paint. We got some paint and I ain't got no room over there, do I? Put this up here. Let's see here. I got that way. Right there. Get rid of some of this other stuff properly. Well, we don't. Hey, welcome to Blue Bite Noise Channel, another episode of Dickin Around the Shed. And I got a good one for you. It's quick and easy, just like I'm talking. Yeah, run an intro. This one's done. Oh, you know what? I forgot to paint this. What color should I paint this one? Red. Okay. Guess I gotta go do that. Oh, I'm scatterbrained today. I got this. I think I'm gonna make another thingy somehow. This one's got flowers. I found flowers, Road Glide Andy. Too bad it's a little late. So, these supposed to light up. Yeah. Oh, what we're working on today is something simple and easy. This is called a Leepee. I found it off Big Hurt's channel, did a thing on it. You can get it on that jungle website. It's a tar monitoring kit. So let's put it on. It's very simple to put on, just like screwing on a valve stem. You got a locking nut, and it shows right here. It says Leepee. Leepee. You see the little dot going to the front? Means it's the front. And on the back it says Leepee. Under the P, over the P is the rear. And you can you connect to your app, and you got an app to connect it to through a UPC code, and it's got your numbers up here that certified that this goes with this one, and it gives you temperature, your tires, pressure. It's got a warning, wobble, noise or vibration. Tells you if your tires drop below a certain pressure or go too high for you. It does both. So it's pretty simple to do, and we're going to do it. Where's my stool? I need my stool. Alrighty, folks. How y'all doing? How your mama now? So, here we are, and look, front one's pretty, front one's pretty easy to do, but I was going to remember to do something, and I just forgot what I was going to do. Oh. Alright. These are, I can't hold on to nothing. Let's see, you got a little screw, bolt nut you put on before, but you got also, these got batteries in them. And to get the batteries out, you got the little notch right here. You can just push down this clip, pull that apart. You get the little clip, pull that out. And then you just take and get a little wrench and unscrew it. And it's got a little watch battery in it. Alright. So you take your set screw and put it on the valve. I done checked and made sure I had. Told you I can't hold on to nothing. So you take it and screw this on. Without cross threading a little nut. Sucker you. Come on. Come on. It's a lot harder than it looks. There you go. screw it all at the bottom. And then you take this and you put hot tui on it. And then you screw it on there. You got hot tui and spit on that thing. I wanted into the hot tui fun. Hot tui. And then you do the back the same way. And you do lose some air. Screw that down, and then you take your wrench and tighten that back up to it till it locks it down. It's supposed to be tamper proof. That's what they say. Her name is Mama. Trying to la it. La means hurry up. La. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Alright. And then you're supposed to be able to scan this code. And I already checked it. And that's my numbers for the front and rear. These little stickers, I guess. I don't know. So I'm going to do the rear because the rear is harder because I got to lay down. I'll be right back and I'm going to pair it and show you the... Okay. So now I have got my valve stem caps and stuff back in there. That little wrench probably gonna get lost, but you can wrench. The wrench folds up. You can fold it up, put it in your pocket, and lose it. See, it folds up. So now you got a little wrench you can hide somewhere and forget where you put it. Yeah, I'll put it in somewhere. I lose it. All right. So now you got it all on, and you go. I done downloaded the app. You get another. Yeah, the front ones, the back ones. You can, and it works on Androids or that other thingy. What do they call it? An Apple. But I already unloaded the Moto. It's called Moto something. So I mean, I scanned it earlier. To scan for binding, auto binding. Oh, and it's scanning for it, I guess. So I guess it's working. So we just wait. It says 52 seconds scanning, 51, 50, 49. You get what I'm saying. So we'll wait. Na, 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 na. That you can set it PS, KB bar and all that unique electrical warnings. It tells you when the battery gets low, high pressure, low pressure. You go to home page. Oh, there it is. The front tire is actually 38.1. It's 91 degrees. The front tire. It's harder than the back. I wonder what would happen if I took this off. Oh, it does work, and they are right. As you can see here, I need to put some more air in the front. I mean, yeah, in the front. The temperatures are the same. So I guess it's the temperature of...
Front wheel air leakage.
Did y'all hear that?
Front wheel air leakage. Front wheel air leakage. Front wheel air leakage.
So when I took that down, front leaky, front leaky, what it was saying, front leaky. It says it right there, front leaky, front leaky, front leaky. So that was a good test. But these,
The air pressure of the front wheel is too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low.
so if you ain't
The
got,
pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was too low. The pressure in the front tire was
I
too
got it.
low.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Pressure in the front tire was too
Let me put some more thing in for the front wheel tire, too low. Front wheel tire, too low. Front wheel tire, too low. Oh, me. I have front wheel tire back to plateau tire. I think it reads my, when I'm screwing it on, the my temperature of my fingers properly. So, yeah. Moto Care, and it's I guess it's on Amazon. Like I said, I'll put a link down there. I mean, this was a hard, even got my hands dirty. Look at that. I need to clean my wheels, what it's saying. We'll do that before we leave on our trip. We still got, in real life, this is just the Friday before the 28th. Today's is 28th. I know it's made in China, but like everything else, it's made in China. And you could hear by her voice. The front wheel tire, too low. The front wheel tire, too low. Leak has been detected. This would have saved Mr. McStache's grace. No. Classic, ultra classic. Ultra classy. Alright, folks. Well, that's, like I said, that was an easy clean. Cleaning my hands with my TKO handwrite. You can pick them up at sweetpatina.com and use pudding code PF64. These are about dry out because I left the thing up, but they was hanging out. But they still cleaning. They still cleaning. Alright, anyway, while I'm cleaning my hands and then I gotta go clean the bike and all like that, we gotta get it pretty, looking for the Dragon Week. Dragon Week. Woohoo! I ain't got nothing else to say. We'll see you at VAM. We'll see you at VAM. Hope we see you at VAM. So, yeah. Check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and we'll catch you on the flip flop. We'll tie low. We'll front wheel tie low.